Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese strings. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 gallon of whole milk, a half teaspoon of citric acid, and a 1/4 teaspoon of rennet dissolved in a 1/4 cup of cool water. Also, have a large pot, a reliable thermometer, and a slotted spoon ready for the process. Next, pour the milk into your pot and gently heat it to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. Once it reaches temperature, remove the pot from the heat. Stir in the dissolved citric acid thoroughly. Then, add the rennet solution, stir for about 30 seconds, and let the milk rest undisturbed for 10 minutes to allow the curds to form. After the resting period, you should have a firm curd. Use a knife to cut the curd into 1-inch cubes directly in the pot. Place the pot back on low heat and slowly raise the temperature to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring very gently to prevent the curds from breaking too much. Maintain this temperature for about 20 minutes, allowing more whey to separate. Now drain off the whey. Place the curds into a bowl of 170 degree Fahrenheit water for a few minutes. Using gloves, begin to stretch and fold the warm cheese until it becomes smooth, shiny, and elastic. Once it reaches this consistency, pull the cheese into long strings. Immediately cool the strings in a bowl of ice water to set their shape and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.